When the user goes to the options for the first time, or if the text is empty, it's going to show undefined here in the alert as well as inside this input. And in order to fix this, we can add if statement. So here in the load text function, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to check first before using the alert and before using the value. We need here to check using if statement and say result dot extension is not equal to undefined. So only in that case, if it's not equal to undefined, in that case we are going to use the alert as well as passing the result.extension text to the value of the input. Now let's save and test. So again, if I refresh and go to the options, it's not going to show me anything because we used if statement and because the value is now undefined. And if I add here some text, this is most, and save, and then come back again, and there you go. Now it's going to show me this text. This is most, and it's going also to display that text inside the input. Another thing that I wanted to discuss is the style sheet. You can add style to the options page and make it look much better than this. Here, as you can see here, there are no styles at all. We are only using HTML, and we can add some CSS to make this options page look much better. So let's do that. So inside our options page, we can add here style tag, and add some CSS here. And I'm gonna surround all of these tags with div. I'm gonna also add this h1 inside the div. And let's give this div an ID of main options div. And I'm gonna use it here, main options div, and inside I'm going to add some styles. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to center all of these tags in the middle of the screen and add also a border so that it looks much better. So first of all, I'm going to use a margin of auto and width of 50%. And then border of 3 solid and red. And I'm going to also add a padding of 15. And let's now save. Don't forget the curly bracket. And save, and let's see. If we now refresh our extension and open the options page, as you can see now, we have this style. We have centered the div in the middle of the screen, and we have also added a border of red color. You can also add other styles if you wish and make it even much better than this. But the point is that you can use CSS with your options page.